Eat with me at 3 in the morning and try not to wake my baby up.
This was supposed to be a sausage. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Okay. What else? I'm trying to try everything before I go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. A lotus rice cake. Oh, isn't that cute? I wonder if you can see it. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. Let's try it. Mmm. Oh my gosh, this is good. I love the texture. I like a little crunch in between like super chewy things. Oh, I did get the no. That's not enoki. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's try this really big one. I've had this before in other things I've eaten, but it takes a while to chew. Oh my gosh, not this one. Normally, when I've gotten them, it felt like it took me a while to chew it, but that was smooth. I also got, I'm trying to find it. They have these sweet potato cheesecake, not cheesecake, rice cake. And I have one that's supposed to be cheese, so let's see which one this one is. Sorry. Let's try. Okay, this one's the cheese one. Okay, you see the cheese? I'm gonna be honest, it's hard to taste the cheese, but it's still like I love the texture. I just love rice cakes. This is so good. This might be my next favorite. I'm trying to find the sweet one. And then I think that would be everything that I added in here. Did I try the bok choy? Let's try the bok choy. I already knew that would be good. Okay. Looking for the sweet one. I don't think they added it. And I did kind of catch them like when they're about to close. They're open till 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I don't think they added it. Because I don't see it at all. But it's actually like a lot in here, so it might be something I find while I'm eating. Okay. Do y'all see the steam? Like, you'll never get this in America. I've never had hot food come in like this. I'm so grateful and blessed. Oh my gosh. So good. And it's not crazy spicy. My nose is just running because I think it's hot. It's hot, like temperature-wise, my body. Okay, let's try this. I don't know exactly what it is, but it came with that. I don't know if y'all heard that crunch. was really nervous to getting this though, but it had so many reviews. And I've been wanting it. And the times I want it, it's always in the middle of the night. I don't want it in the daytime. I want it like exactly right now. 2 o'clock. Well, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. What time is it? Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god, I found it. Oh my god. I saw the sweet potato one. I gotta find it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my god, I found it. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I am so excited for this. Ready? Some water. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I like the sweet one now. That tastes so good. Oh my gosh. And that's the only one I found. No. I hope this isn't the last one. I wish I could explain what that tastes like, but it's definitely, you taste the sweetness in it.